Hello crochet friends and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the wattle stitch. This stitch is very similar to the sedge stitch, except it's a bit more airy than the sedge stitch. It is different because instead of a single crochet, half double, and double crochet, this is actually a single crochet chain double crochet. So it gives the same feel, but it's airy. A really fun alternative to the sedge stitch if you want something that gives a little bit more breathing room. So let's hop to it. For the wattle stitch, you want to chain a multiple of 3. You can work in the top of the chain or in the back bumps. Today I'm going to work in the back bumps. You want to skip 1, 2, and go into the 3rd chain with a single crochet. Then chain 1 and do a double crochet into that same chain. And that's our first wattle. Then we are going to skip 2, 1, 2, and go into the 3rd chain from our first wattle. We're going to do a single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And we'll do that again. Skip 2, 1, 2, and go into the 3rd chain from our last wattle. With a single crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. And we're going to skip 2, 1, 2, and in our last chain, we are just going to do 1 single crochet. And that's our first row of wattles. Then we're going to turn our project and chain 1. We're going to skip that single crochet and this double crochet and go into the chain space. From here on out, you're just going to work into the chain space of your wattles. Insert your hook, do a single crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. Find that next chain space, skipping the single crochet and double crochet. Right there. Single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Skipping the single crochet, double crochet, finding that chain space, single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. To finish off the row, we are going to do a single crochet into the chain space that we skipped, the 2 chain space here. And do a single crochet. Here it is, right here. Whoop, that's a little tight. There we go. And a single crochet to end that row. And you turn and chain 1. You don't want to do your chain 1s too tight because when you come back on that row, you're actually going to put your final stitch into this chain. So this row, this next row that we're going to do is going to be exactly the same as our previous row, doing that single crochet, chain, and double crochet in the chain spaces. But the ending is going to be just a little bit different. You will do a single crochet into your turning chain. So I will show you how to do that. Let's do our first wattle here, and then I will meet you at the end. So we're skipping that single crochet and double crochet and going into the chain space. Single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And we will do that in our next chain spaces, and I will see you at the end. All right, you just finished your last wattle and you were looking for that spot to put your final single crochet. It is actually right here. That's that chain that you did, that turning chain right after the single crochet of the previous row. I'm going to pull that out there so that you can see that just a little bit better. That's our turning chain. So that is where you're going to put your single crochet. This is the single crochet of the previous row, and this is that turning chain. It's a little bit difficult to find, but you want to definitely take your time and find that one because that is where you need to do your final single crochet. And then turn. And you'll just repeat that row over and over and over until your desired length. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!